So I often get asked how to change the brake pads on the Riese Müller bikes and if they're easy. Answer is yes, they are pretty simple. It's a job that you can do at home. Most bikes come with these Magura brakes. So on the back, this one we have got an MT4, and on the front we have got an MT5. Slightly more complicated on the front, but by no means complicated at all. All we're going to do is the blue little pieces here are your brake pads that are sitting in there. You'll know they're worn probably because it's going to make an awful metal on metal noise, or you will have got them contaminated with oil or a spray that you will have put on your bike, and you'll just want to change them out. So it's a really simple job. Buy the new pads. Magura MT5, the blue ones are called the comfort ones that come as standard on the bike, so go for those ones. They're by far the best thing to do. So to take them out, you've got this screw here. This is a Torx, and this is, the size of it is a T25, this one. So just undo it. Whoops. Take the screw out. You'll find that there's another one of these in the packet when you get your replacement pads. Then now your pads are loose, and it is literally a case of just picking them out. Okay, and you'll see, I mean, these ones aren't used, these are almost brand new. There's a bit of discoloration to them, so they would normally sort of be a powdery grey colour. If you've got greasy hands or oil on your hands, don't touch this side of the pads, because it will contaminate them, and then it will make awful squeaking, horrible noises forever after. So you're going to get a new set of these, and it will come with a new screw as well in the kit, and it is as simple as dropping them back in. You might find that your pistons in here have closed together, so a wide flat-ended screwdriver, and you'll be able to push those back out to open it up, and then you'll be able to drop the new pads in. So let's imagine these are new. In they go. I'll try and do it so you can see, but they are just going to drop in. Try and line it up so you can get the screw back through. Whoops. And then screw comes through. There's one. Oops, there's the other. And do the screw back up again. It's got a bit of Loctite on the screw, so it will fix itself in, so you don't have to do it too tight. There we go, and it's as easy as that. Before you ride off, just give your brake lever a pump, just to make sure they're closed back in again. And that's it, you're ready to ride.